In this video, I'll show you how you can fix the Valorant sign-in error where it says, sorry, we're having trouble signing you in. Now the first thing that we can try is we're gonna check for our internet. Come down here and use the Open Network and Internet settings. From in here, what you wanna do is you wanna scroll down until you find Change Adapter Options. Now from in here, you wanna right-click on your internet, press Disable, and then right-click again and press Enable. This will reset your network and this might fix the issue. Now, if you have Windows 11 and you cannot find this, you can simply search for Show Available Networks, or Show Change Adapter Options, and it will open up. Now, another thing we can try is you can right-click on your Valorant, go to Open File Location, come back to the Right Games folder, and simply delete the Valorant folder right here. Now what this does is when you open up the Valorant, it's going to reset itself and see if that fixes your issue. Now if this does not fix your issue, you can also try and right click on your Valorant, head over to Properties, Compatibility, enable both of these and see if this works. Now there's two more things that you might try. One of them is simply uninstalling Valorant. Go to App and Features, search for Valorant, uninstall, and then reinstalling it. Now, if you don't want to reinstall it, another thing you can try is simply restart your router. Now, you can find your router anywhere in your house, restart it, and your internet will then restart, and this should also fix the issue. Now, I really hope any of these helped you. If they did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.